Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dolphin 254, and today I'm going to share with you my simple everyday makeup look. So guys, let's learn together. I'll start by drawing my brows, and as you can see guys, I'm doing it a little bit faster because I already have a detailed tutorial on how to do your brows in my playlist. So guys, make sure you go to my playlist and watch the video from there. I'll then apply my moisturizer. As you can see, I'm using Garnier for sensitive skin. Yes, this is the one that works for me, but any moisturizer can do. Make sure you apply it all over your face and don't forget your neck. So the next step is foundation. This is Maybelline color number 360. So I'll apply it all over my face using my fingertips, as you can see. I'll then follow in with my damp blending sponge to blend all the foundation and give it a smooth finish. Never forget your neck guys while applying foundation, because you don't want to have a lighter face and a dark neck. So make sure everything is done uniformly. As soon as I'm done with blending, I'll go in with my setting powder. So in this case, I'm using Fit Me Maybelline. So this is the liquid highlighter, Kylie Fashion. So we have different types of highlighters. So this is the one that I always use. So I'll be using it to highlight my nose, my cheekbone, my forehead. I'll then go in with my eyeshadow. As you can see, we have different colors, but I'll start with a darker shade. Followed by a dark brown shade. This always gives a very simple look. I'll do the same to both eyes for them to be uniform. I'll now follow in with my mascara to define my eyelashes. This makes them look long. So the next step is lipstick. Guys, this is red, Maybelline Superstay number 20. So I always apply lipstick depending with my mood, and for this look I'll apply red. So before I finish, guys, I just wanted to thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching my videos. I know how hard it is to click that like button, but you've always been there for me, so I don't take it for granted. Continue supporting me because good things are yet to come. So this is the final look. I hope you guys loved it. So if you did, don't forget to share your views at the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. And until next time, it's bye.